Quantum pole dancing for cats? I've seen plagues with more integrity.
You don't need a clown chakra awakening. You need a therapist and a nap.
If you're done fake laughing through niche regret and want a business that actually pays you pie, join the Eveolution.
Your inner child didn't ask for this. She asked for snacks and to be normal.
Let me be clear. Not everyone needs a coaching niche. Some of you just need hobbies. If he's your twin flame, why is he legally blocked on 3 platforms?
If your program includes breathwork for Bitcoin, I'm calling the goddess police.
Now, we are going to explore our divine womanhood. Don't be shy.
Still trusting the economy to save you? Babe, no. Start your coaching biz, and before your 401k turns into 404 not found.